Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the idiomatic text element in HTML. So I have opened up the MDN page for the idiomatic text element. Okay, so let's see what it says. The iHTML element represents a range of text that is set off the normal text for some reason, such as idiomatic text, technical terms, taxonomical designations, among others. Historically, these have been presented using italicized type, which is the original source of the I naming of this element. Okay, so basically, it was previously known as the italic element, but now it is known as the idiomatic text element. Okay, and now you might be thinking like, hey, we have just learned about the EM element and that also italicized the text, right? But once again, inside of the usage notes in that particular video, I have mentioned like, hey, whenever we want to have some real emphasis on a text, then we want to use the EM tags. But whenever we are using some other type of text, something like this technical terms or taxonomical designations, then we want to use the I element for that. Okay, and I will show it to you right now. So I will just copy this particular heading here and paste it down here. Okay, hit save. And now let's do something like this. Okay, so let's copy this one. Okay, so let's go to the code editor and just paste it down here. Okay, all right, I'll just get rid of that and do that. So I looked at it and thought this can't be real. So as you can see inside of the browser, as you can see, this is now italicized and this is the idiomatic text element. Okay, now you might be thinking like, hey, what exactly is basically the use cases for this I tag? And this is quite used whenever we want to write some sort of a scientific name. So I have opened the blue whale page inside of Wikipedia. Okay, and here we have the scientific name for the blue whale. Okay, and if I just open up the DevTools here, and if I just click on it and just click on this particular element, as you can see, it is wrapped around inside of the I tag. Okay, and there is the B tags as well, which we will learn in the upcoming videos. So this is the idiomatic text element in action. So whenever we want to have some sort of technical terms or we want to have scientific names written out, usually that is being written out inside of italic text, and that is why we use the idiomatic text element. So what I can do, I can just copy this one. Okay, all right, and I can just go here and paste it down here, and inside of this one, what I can do, I can just create the I tags. Okay, and just cut this scientific name from here and put it down inside of this I tags. Okay, hit save, and now if I just go to my browser, as you can see the blue whale, and then we have the scientific name of the blue whale, which I will not dare to pronounce right now. So yeah, so this is the scientific name of the blue whale, is a species, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is the idiomatic text element in HTML.